Hi, I'm Melina and welcome to Expert Village. Today we're going to make a beautiful mushroom and butterfly incense burner out of polymer clay. In this next step, we're going to decorate the butterfly wings. You're going to take contrasting color, maybe some red, and we'll mix it in with some clear. See if we can get a nice pink. You're going to roll this very thin, cut it into 4 pieces. Take the pieces and you're going to decorate your butterfly wings. I like going around the edges. And just press down lightly as you go. If you have any excess, trim it off. And we're going to do some swirls here for the bottom. You can see our beautiful wings.